how to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling printable business card templates on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of this product that you will be selling, and then I will introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help you find out if this product is really worth listing on your Etsy shop or not, if it's really a winning product or not. And also this tool is going to help you in the future when you are looking for winning products to work on, and also it's going to help you when it comes to spying on shops, seeing what is the product that is making them the most amount of money and what are the products that are not making them any money whatsoever. And then in the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create products like the one you are about to see for your own without even starting the product from scratch, and also without paying anyone to create the product for you. So here, let's type the name of the product in the search, which is printable business card templates. Then click on search and give it a few seconds to load. And here you will see that there are a lot of examples in here, printable business card templates. So let's wait for it to complete loading. And here, as you can see, the first line in here are only the ones that are sponsored by the Etsy sellers. As you can see in here, add by Etsy seller, add as well, another ad. Let's wait for it to complete loading to remove the ones that are sponsored in here and to replace them with these ones, which are the ones that are really the ones that people really buy in this niche. So here we have a lot of suggestions in here, and most of them are popular, like these ones in here, these ones as well. So let's choose this one here, for example. Let's choose this one. And guys, I'm going to talk a little bit about the differences between digital products and physical products, and why I like digital products more than the physical ones. That's just my personal opinion. You can disagree with me if you want, but for me, I like digital products because in physical products you will have to deal with a lot of stress and with a lot of problems every day. The first problem is, where are you going to get the product? And if you get the product, you will have to look for the packaging, and when you find someone to package the product, you will have to look for someone to ship the product fast to the clients in between 14 to 10 days, because the client, if the product is very late to the client will cancel his purchase, and you will have to return the money to the client. And if the client didn't got the product and didn't like it, also you will have to return the money to the client and get your product. And also in physical products, you will have to pay for a lot of fees, like the shipping fees, pay for the company that is taking care of getting the product for you and shipping it for you. Also, you'll have to pay for the packaging and all sorts of fees. And in other hand, we have the digital product. The only hard work in digital product is when you create the product. After that, you will just list it on your shop on Etsy, and whenever someone comes to the shop, buys the product, you will not even have to contact them anymore, because there are no returns and refunds in digital products, and also no shipping or anything like that. They will pay, they will download their product, and that's it. That's why I like digital products, guys. You can leave in the comments what you prefer yourself, if you prefer digital or physical. So here I'm going to take you to the tool I have spoken about, which is Everbee. It's the tool we are going to use to see if this product is really worth the time that we are going to spend on it or not. We are going to find out right now if it's really a winning product or not. So let's sign up for free, and after you sign up, it will take you directly to the front page here, where you will have a lot of a lot of spying tools like the product analytics, shop analyzer, keyword research that you're going to use in order to find to look for winning products and also to see or to spy on shops. So here let's use the shop analyzer and let's get the name of this shop here. Let's take the name here, let's copy the name and let's take it to the search and drop it on the search here. Click on search shop and let's wait for it to load. Here it's still loading. Let's give it a few seconds to complete loading. Then we will look for this product to see if it's really a winning or not. So here we have boy baby shower invitation. We are looking for business card template, game bundle, editable, small business, thank you, minimalist, funeral welcome. We are looking for business card templates, but from this page it will be easier to guess reviews for there are 5 reviews for this item. That means the total sales of this shop is 10 sales for that product, because the reviews, because half of the people that buy the product leave a review, and it means that this product got them 10 sales. But we can't take our decision based on the reviews, because we need to know when did they list this product, because if they have listed it just 1 month ago, that means 10 sales in 1 month is a very good money to make. But here, business card templates, this is it. It was listed 37 months ago. So here let's check the product to see if they are making any money with it or not. Reviews per month, 145 reviews. So this is another product for them, but it's the same. So this product is making them a lot of money per month. As you can see, 6 sales per month based on the reviews, and they have made well over 300 sales with it over 37 months. So that's a product worth trying to sell. So I'm going to take you to a platform where we can create a product like that for ourselves, which is canva.com. So let's give it a few seconds to load. Then we will just type the name of the product and it will give us some examples of that product, and we can just take those examples, change a little bit of them, add our touch. Then we will have our product ready to be sold on Etsy. So here we have a lot of examples that we can adjust or change a little bit, and we can then sell them on Etsy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.